For the clinical trials community, I don't think there's ever been a period of change that has been greater than the period we're in now. So I'm really excited to have been working with ARCS to help develop their clinical trial summit on the 22nd of this month. The summit in Sydney is really about the implementation of the new version of GCP R3 and how to navigate some of those changes. The summit, I believe, is a rare opportunity for everybody to be in one room: industry, site staff, ethics and governance staff. And the idea is not only to hear about the changes, but also to help workshop some of the solutions for the implementation of the revised GCP. The key thing really is if we get all the stakeholders in one room, then those solutions will work for everybody, which is really, really important for implementation. So I really, really look forward to the day, and I'm looking forward to seeing as many of my friends and associates in the clinical trials world as possible. See you there.